Your topic is uh, today's chapter is funny with the MS Paint, in which your first topic is quick access toolbar. Uh, you see in your computer, in your Paint window, like this type quick access toolbar. You see now the first three options. First three option we have save button, undo and redo command, and the drop down arrow. These are the quick access toolbar. Like in quick access toolbar we have some buttons like that save, undo and redo. Okay, क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में हमारे पास कुछ कमांड्स होती हैं जिसे हम सेव, undo, redo. We also add to some other commands in a quick access toolbar. It's easy to add like this. In the screen you see we have three commands. You also add the other options in quick access toolbar. Use this drop down arrow. When you click on drop down arrow, in which you see you only we only that only tick on three options like save, undo, redo. If I add the print option also, you see the print option also add in quick access toolbar. If I tick on a new option, you see the new option is also add on quick access toolbar. Like if I click on option, the on option is open option is also click on quick access toolbar. And like this we also deselect them. ऐसे ही हम इसे यहाँ से हटा भी सकते हैं और ऐसे ही यहाँ पर ऐड भी कर सकते हैं. इट्स इजी. मीन्स क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार इज बिलोंग्स टू अस. ये हमारे अकॉर्डिंग चलता है. जो हम इसमें लगाएंगे वो दिखेगा, जो नहीं लगाएंगे वो दिखेगा. बट बाय डिफॉल्ट इन क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार वी हैव थ्री बटन्स, वी हैव थ्री ऑप्शंस, save, undo and redo. You know, save option is used for you know the now you know what is quick access toolbar, in which we quickly access the options. Like if we add some other options, we if that we want to access quickly, like besides of save, undo and redo, like print, you know now we also add the some other option quick access toolbar. अब आप जानते हो कि हम क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में अदर ऑप्शंस को भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट बाय डिफॉल्ट अगर हम देखें तो हमें कौन कौन से थ्री ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं? सेव, undo and redo. Okay, and if we want to add other, we also add them. Simply click on them. Simply use the drop down arrow and like that. The quick access toolbar, there is a main toolbar. The first button on the left side, the paint button, which open up the main menu of MS Paint. I also show you with the example. Like you see the paint button, I show you on the picture. This is the paint button. The cursor is moving in front of the button. And in the window 10, the button is now name have file. Now this button, now we have this button name have a file name. And when you click on that button, you see what that have button that have main menu of MS Paint. This is the main menu of MS Paint, in which with some commands we have like new, open, save as, print from scanner or camera, send in email, set as desktop background, properties, about, paint, exit. These are the main menu of Paint. Now we know what we have in a paint button. Paint button में क्या होता है? जो आपका मेन मेन्यू होता है MS Paint का, वो आपको पेंट बटन में शो होता है, जिसके अंदर क्या क्या कमांड्स होती हैं? सेव, ओपन, न्यू, प्रिंट एंड एग्जिट. These are the main menu commands. Okay. Next is tabs. Home and view are two tabs in MS Paint program. You see, we have only two tabs in MS Paint. First is home and second is view. Okay, home tab, in which all the main image editing in which in home tab, what we have in a home tab, all the main image editing. Like if you want to add color on that image, we have color on that home tab. If you want to resize it, we also have a resize option. If you want to erase some part of that image, we also have erase. If you want to add text, we also the text option. If you want to color, we also have a color option. We have a pencil, we have a brush, we have some shapes, lines, size, the many more things we have on a home tab. These are the some options we also discuss on our next slide. What is the these options? Okay, next is view tab. In view tab, we have zoom in, zoom out option. Okay, we also have the option full screen. We can also select the ruler and grid line on image that help us to align. Okay, on align, and we also add the, we also select and deselect the ruler grid lines. I also show you the example. Like if you move in a view, you see zoom in, zoom out. Okay, we have a ruler grid like that, like this. We also add the ruler and grid on our paint sheet, and we also have a full screen option like that. We have the full screen option. Okay, these options are available in view tab. These are the some options that we have in a home tab, like paste option, cut, copy, resize and skew, pencil, fill with color, text, eraser, color picker, magnifier. Uh, if some students also use the paint option, आपने काफी students ने paint software को use भी किया है, and you also use these options in your paint. Like we have some brush option, different shapes, shape outline, shape fill, size, foreground color, background color, and edit color. I also show you the example, like size select option. You also select the select, use the select option, also select that like that. And after select, the copy, cut and paste and crop option is appear. जब भी आप सिलेक्ट करोगे, जो आपके जो 4 ऑप्शंस हैं ये अपेयर हो जाते हैं. ये देखोगे अभी ये डिसअपियर है, सिर्फ पेस्ट अपियर है. जैसे ही आप सिलेक्ट करोगे, सारे के सारे ऑप्शंस, 3 ऑप्शंस, 4 ऑप्शंस अपियर हो जाते हैं. एंड यू ऑल्सो रिसाइज द इमेज. अगर आपको कोई भी इमेज रिसाइज करनी है, यहाँ से आप रिसाइज में जाकर रिसाइज कर सकते हैं, रोटेट कर सकते हैं, लाइक वर्टिकली, हॉरिजॉन्टली, 90 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री पे इमेज को रिमूव कर सकते हैं. जो भी इमेज आया उसे मूव कर सकते हैं आप इजिली. अगर अपने पेंसिल से आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं लाइक दैट. If you choose the pencil, like you draw anything, and you erase also, use the eraser like that. And if you want to color the image, you simply pick the color and color the image also. If you want to type the text, you also type anything on the picture. Okay, if you want to use the, if you want to use the brush, we also use the brush like that. We also use the brush. We have some options for brush.
ओवल बना सकते हैं
बेटा, we make anything in your paint. बेटा मैंने क्या बोला आपसे, जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं वो हम लास्ट में आस्क करेंगे. अभी कोई भी स्टूडेंट, नो वन आस्क द क्वेश्चन इन ड्यूरिंग द क्लास. आप शेप्स, कोई भी शेप यहाँ से शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. शेप हमने लास्ट टाइम भी डिस्कस किया था. ओके, यहाँ से हम कोई भी आउटलाइन सेट कर सकते हैं, सॉलिड आउटलाइन, नो आउटलाइन, कोई भी जैसा भी हम सेट करना चाहें वैसा कर सकते हैं. फिल ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हैं, सॉलिड फिल ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हैं लाइक दैट. इसे हमने कर दिया ना. These are some options we have in a home tab. Okay, this we called color palette, in which we have all colors that are available in the paint option. Okay, now move on next slide. These are some options we have in a view tab. We have zoom in and zoom out option. For use the zoom in and zoom out option, we zoom in and zoom out the picture. Okay, if we use the 100% fit, if we use 100% fit, the picture is fit on the page according to my page, according to my paint size. If we use a ruler, the ruler is appear in left and top. If we use a grid line, the grid line is also appear. If you want to disappear that, simply untick them. If I want to full screen the picture, full screen it. Okay, and if स्टेटस बार, अगर हम स्टेटस बार को अनटिक कर देंगे तो नीचे आपको जो शो होता रहता है ना, आपको ये शो ना बंद हो जाएगा। स्टेटस बार को भी हाइड एंड अनहाइड कर सकते हो। दीज ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल इन पेंट, सॉरी, व्यू टैब, the thumbnail option, status bar. Okay, your next topic in it is color palette. The color palette is a part of home tab. The color palette available in a home tab, and we have two types of color. First is foreground or active color, and second is background color. And what that mean? The foreground and active color means, I also show you the example. You all see the picture. आपने picture देखा, screen पर देख रहे हो. The color that show in front of you, this is a white color. That means this is a background color, and this is the color 2. Okay, like the we move on the next slide. I show you the first is color 1. What is color 1? You see the color palette. What is the look like the color palette? Color 1 box is the foreground color. Foreground means when you draw something on a sheet with a pencil and paper, sorry, with a pencil or sketch, the paper is white. This is the background color, and which color you draw on that, this is the foreground color, and you writing on that color is a foreground color. Foreground color, or we also call that active color. When you open MS Paint, the default active color is black. When you open the paint, like I open the paint again, you also see the change. Like I open the paint. Okay, you see the by default, if I choose the pencil, you see the by default, the active color is black. The foreground color is black. You
Black.
also see the default active color is black.
Black.
Why? Because this is automatically choose. Please switch off your mic, beta. Okay, and if I want to फर्स्ट आपको जो भी कलर चेंज करना है उस कलर को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. बाय डिफॉल्ट आपका कलर 1 सिलेक्ट होता है. लाइक मैंने ये सब हटा दिया, मुझे कलर चेंज करना है. आई वांट टू कलर 1 रेड, रेड करना है. आई चूज द रेड कलर. यू सी नाउ कलर 1 इज रेड, एंड व्हेन आई ड्रॉ a pencil, now my pencil is in red color. Everything I use, like I use the brush is also in a red color. I use the color picker. The color picker is used to pick the color. This is not a main thing. If I use the text, the text is also in a red color, because I choose the now the red color, like this. You see the text is also present in a red color. Okay, like this. This is the foreground color, जो आपका active color भी बोलते हैं. Okay, and next is the next slide is color 2 is the background color. You see the color 2 option also we have in a color palette. When open MS Paint, the default background color is white. You see, when I open the Paint software, and I click on background, you also change the background color with the help of this. Now your background color is blue, and your foreground color is red. If I choose the eraser, you see the eraser is blue. Okay, because this is a background color. Eraser use the background color. Okay, if I change the eraser color in purple, now you see the eraser color is now is purple. Okay, the main effect, main जो आपका चेंज दिखता है वो आपको इरेजर में दिखता है. Okay, you see the change on a eraser. जिस चेंज में आपको कलर बाय डिफॉल्ट जो इरेजर का कलर होता है वो व्हाइट होता है. आप इसका कलर चेंज भी कर सकते हो. ओके, जो कलर आप इरेजर का कर दोगे, उसी कलर में आपका रब करेगा. कुछ इस टाइप से आपका इरेजर और आपका फोरग्राउंड और बैकग्राउंड कलर वर्क करता है. लाइक इफ आई वांट टू ग्रीन द कलर, you see now eraser is green. If I choose the yellow color, now your eraser is yellow. because eraser color is color 2 and pencil and other thing color is color 1. If I choose color 1, then we working on a foreground and active color. If we choose color 2, we working on a background color. Okay, thank you.